Determine mud flap alignment and edge orientation with wheels. Then insert bottom of mud flap into folded cardboard guide and position in wheel well at desired height to determine mounting screw locations. Verify screws will contact solid surface. Use angled screwdriver with self-drilling screw to attach mud flap at the upper corner location. Verify the mud flap is level, then continue to attach mud flap with remaining screws. To determine mounting hole locations, position stabilizing bracket to attach to mud flap and vehicle. Use locking pliers to bend stabilizing bracket as needed. Using stabilizing bracket as guide, use angled screwdriver with self-drilling screw to carefully drill hole in mud flap, then remove screw. Insert screw from opposite side in mud flap through stabilizing bracket and secure with nut. Adjust stabilizing bracket until enough clearance is provided in wheel well. Finally, attach opposite end to vehicle with self-drilling screw and secure with nut when possible. Repeat process for remaining mud flaps.